The storm that struck Milan was predicted, but its force was unimaginable: strong winds, rain, and even hail.
No, ma falle due gocce, ma proprio due. Falle proprio due gocce.
A sudden wave of severe weather hit several areas of the province of Milan on Wednesday afternoon, June 10, 2026, with the storm's passage causing damage and disruption in several areas, requiring the intervention of firefighters in several areas of the province. The severe weather brought strong winds, torrential rain, and damaging hail, uprooting trees and billboards, collapsing roofs, and turning streets into rivers of ice. The most affected areas were the hinterland and the Alto Milanese region, where the severe weather hit with the greatest intensity, particularly Legnano, Garbagnate Milanese, and Cesate, which recorded the most severe damage.
Macchina distrutta, basta, sicuro?
Cosa?
La macchina? Ah no.
No, ma falle due gocce, ma proprio due. Falle proprio due gocce.
Firefighters and civil defense personnel were involved in several operations to secure roads, remove dangerous trees, and assess the damage caused by the wind. The strong winds particularly affected the northern areas of Milan. Reports indicate trees were uprooted by the strong winds, branches fell onto roads, and several roofs were damaged by strong gusts, creating dangerous situations linked to unstable vegetation and damaged billboards. Since 4 p.m., the Milan Fire Department and civil defense personnel have been busy handling dozens of emergency calls simultaneously to secure roads, remove hazardous trees to reduce the risk to residents, and assess the damage caused by the winds. Teams worked to secure the affected areas and restore security along roads and public spaces. In the first few minutes, around 30 emergency calls were received. These responses concerned fallen trees, unsafe trees, and damaged signs.
Ma proprio falle due, ma proprio due goccette. Orco Giuda, sta venendo giù il manicomio.
This worsening weather had been predicted by forecasters, who had warned of the risk of severe thunderstorms in the Milan region and the Alto Milanese area. The Lombardy Region Civil Protection Department maintained a yellow alert for the risk of thunderstorms until midnight. Authorities urged residents to limit unnecessary travel and to exercise extreme caution in the areas affected by these interventions. There have been no reports of injuries so far, while monitoring of damage caused by the severe weather continues.
Sono grossissime, la macchina è distrutta.
According to the official bulletin from the city of Milan and local meteorologists, Milan is affected by unstable weather conditions. The risk of rain and thunderstorms remains high on Wednesday between noon and evening. Until midnight, the City Operations Center (COC) remains active, monitoring the levels of the Seveso and Lambro rivers. From tomorrow, June 11, 2026, significant improvements are expected thanks to the expansion of the anticyclonic front from the Atlantic. And the weekend, the sun will shine brightly again, with maximum temperatures rising to around 30 degrees Celsius between Saturday and Sunday.
Ma falle 2 goccette, ma proprio 2, ma proprio un attimino.